Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is the look at the ETFs via our scans for this coming session. This is going to be for Thursday, April 18th, 2013. Well, the trend is going back to its negative bias after yesterday's little measuring day. We have an absence of signals here on both sides, but at least for the majors, but we do have a bump up in volume. So yesterday's measuring day which was on lighter volume, but we're resuming the downtrend here on an increase in volume, so that's definitely notable. Looking at the domestic sectors, we don't have any downside continuation signals, so that's one positive for the bulls. Got a couple things here in the on the buy side here. We've got a camouflage buy signal in the PPH and also the XHB. And just note all of these volume bumps here in these individual sector ETFs. So these are all going to be worth jotting down and keeping an eye on for tomorrow. And feel free to pause the video to catch up with the volume numbers. Note the big bump here in the OIH. As far as the individual commodities themselves go, the GDX is back to its downside, making new lows on the move here. It does have a downside CPS signal. The volume is still up. It's 4.5% below the open and 3% below the VWAP, so that's definitely a notable move. Onto the foreign sectors. Don't really have any signals here, but we do have a bunch of volume bumps. EWG is certainly in motion. A lot of things going on in Germany. Germany had a very, very rough session. This one is trading good volume to the downside. And looking at the specials, we don't really have any signals either way, but look at this swell of volume here. Remember, a lot of times these specials are used by professional traders for hedging purposes, so they're definitely going to work today for sure. Well, that's going to be it for this evening. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.